Hey guys, okay, so we have a gem sponsorship for the day, and it's from mintMONGOOSE. This is the packaging it came in, my favorite color, which is also my birthstone sapphire. I'm gonna put my code up here for y'all. Raven50, you guys, you get 50% off of your first box. Girl, that's a big deal. Plus you get free US shipping, $10 shipping if you're not in the US from anywhere outside of the US, okay? So that's always bomb. So everything came just like this. I just love everything about her story. So her name is Helena. And of course she sends out, right, the inspiration behind her set. She wanted to share her experiences and her meanings with her real life mom experiences, because she was a newspaper editor, girl. She was getting her coin and she had a baby, so she was at home. And like most of us do, she wanted to mix business and mom stuff together. So that's why I really feel connected to the brand. Just no joke, telling y'all the truth. Because it reminds me so much of my own journey. That's how this all came about. Also included is a care tip card. Everything here is limited edition. It's real life mom experiences and inspiration in the form of jewelry. Bomb. I love it. I can relate to it. I hope that you guys can too. And even if you can't, look at the jewelry, see if you like it, and then go and, you know, use that coupon code. Tell her that I sent you, okay? So you're gonna get a little, oh my God, this is so cute. Her little cleaning cloth. You know, some people just send you the cloth and it don't even have nothing. She put her brand on there, everything. Tells you about the different memberships here that you can get at the 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, on the back after 18 months, you know, what all you can do. Each month she releases a new set. She is the only jewelry company that does this. One cool thing is that you guys are gonna get 2 pieces of jewelry for the price of one, the low price of one. And that's 2 pieces of jewelry monthly for the price of one. I want to say that again because everybody love a 2 for 1. So here's everything that you guys can do as my gems. You guys can customize everything by the tones, whether you want silver, rose gold, or gold. You can decide if you want earrings or no earrings. Your first box, basically, that you would order would ship within 48 hours. Oh my God, this is so pretty. These are earrings. Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh, this is, girl. Oh my God, I cannot wait to put these on. I have to show y'all both of them. Oh my goodness. They're like jade and gold. That is so pretty. Each month, 1 piece is revealed, and then you get like a surprise piece. So that's always good too. You get to see what you get, and then you get like a little bit of a surprise, which, baby, when I opened this is everything. Y'all, wait a minute. Now, if you're like one of those people where you want to skip a month, or you decide you want to add jewelry, or even if you decide you want to cancel your subscription, you definitely can. You just go to the website. Y'all, this stuff is so cute. Jewelry inspired by my life, delivered monthly. I mean, it's just the attention to details on everything, even though it's all, y'all don't tell me I have a matching necklace in here. So yeah, if you wanted to do those things, you can do that on the website. You do have like some options, and everybody loves a good option, honey. We all like a good option. If you decided that you wanted to add additional, oh my goodness, you want to add additional, y'all, this is so pretty. You can wear this like every day. You can dress this up. Oh my goodness, even her clasp. I'm gonna try to get y'all the details so you can actually see just the attention to detailing on all her branding and stuff like this. But if you guys want the additional offers, you can get that too, and that's optional. You can add it on multiple things. So you can add on earrings if you decided you wanted earrings. Add on ring subscriptions if you decide to do that. It's only $3.99. That's not a lot, y'all. And that's per month. If you decided you wanted to do t-shirts that are inspired to pretty much coordinate with your jewelry, you can do that monthly for $9.99. I want to put these on just to see how possibly heavy they, oh my goodness. You do not, so you know, like typically when you put on stuff like this, you can feel like it's weighted and everything. This is not. This is super comfortable in my ear. This is so pretty, y'all. The chain is also adjustable. I didn't even realize that. Yeah, I just paid attention to it. So it says adjustable chain extenders. Different preferred chain lengths call for flexibility. That's why all of our necklaces come with length adjustable chains. So you do not have to wear this one this little. And if you look closely, it has all the hooks in there to where you can adjust it to customize it for whatever length you like. Y'all, go get it. Use code RAVEN50. RAVEN50 gives you 50% off, free shipping. If you're not in the US, I'm going to stress this again, you get $10 off of your shipping. Your first box ships in 48 hours. I mean, everything behind this, I can't help but to, oh girl, she gave me the candy. Y'all know I'm a fat girl. Y'all know. And it's a Werther's original. I used to eat these in church, honey. Ain't nothing else to be said. That's it. Ain't nothing else to be said, girl. We out of here. We love it. And she even has her seal on the packaging. She even has her seal on the packaging, y'all. That is our gem sponsor for today. If you guys want to send me anything, all my stuff is in the comment section of this video. If you're a brand and you are black owned, or you're just a brand in general and you would like for me to do your stuff on here, whether it's for free, send it in to me and I'll be glad to give you guys like a review when I do my Beau's boardroom section, which is always what? On Mondays. In the meantime, y'all go ahead. Love y'all. Bye.